Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but the you won't believe what stumbled changes everything. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but the you won't believe what stumbled